You guys probably already know what's gonna go on. We tested the active wing on Limitless last time at 92 or whatever speed that was. It's pretty quick, but that's not quick enough to really test it. You know, I want to test it air braking over 120 miles an hour to see if it really helps. 90 miles an hour, it's quick, but not quick enough nowadays. We're gonna see what we can do in this ultimate test of the active wing on Limitless. Enjoy, guys. GPS is all zeroed out. It's 122. It's pretty solid, guys. You know, we have a big GoPro right on the top of this thing, which really doesn't exactly help with aerodynamics. But yeah, guys, I love it. Well, it worked. That's another thing. That's what I love saying, you know, in this hobby. You come up with something, you make something that isn't made by anyone, and it works. There's a lot of guys that do that, not just me. I'm gonna keep pushing it. We're gonna keep seeing what we're gonna do. So, later. Later, guys.